Okay, well here we are. We're at the first rappel in Horse Tank Wash. We're the Into the Creeks and Canyons exploration of the Mogollon Rim class. We've done a few swimming holes here, and I will introduce us. This is a class being taught by Kimberly Baeza and David Lovejoy. Kimberly. David.
We had like a great and interesting mix of environmental studies students and adventure education students, and so there was something about that cross-pollination that was really valuable as well. It has that sort of adventure element of technical canyoneering as part of it, and that is combined with studies of stream and creek geomorphology and natural history in many ways. And we did a lot of surveying of stream quality, both water chemistry and macroinvertebrate surveys.
We are learning not only about the riparian ecology, but also how to safely navigate some of these potentially hazardous canyons.
It's really interesting because a lot of the places that haven't really been studied that much are the ones that are most inaccessible, where you have to rappel into them and swim through these potholes. And they're unique because, for one, they don't get a lot of light in there, and the water temperatures are very out of balance with those that you might expect in the Southwest. As you can tell from the footage of us swimming through, we're wearing wetsuit tops, and this is the hottest part of the year in Arizona. Yeah, you can get really pretty chilly in those pools. We taught the course during the middle of the summer, just in the cusp of when the monsoon season starts, and so we had an additional risk management element to it that related to the potential for these narrow creeks flash flooding. And so there was also an element of the course that involved looking at the weather patterns really carefully, timing our descents through these slot canyons with a lot of intention so that we could avoid what would, as you can imagine, be catastrophic if it did happen. You know, one of the things that's really unique about Prescott College students in environmental studies and adventure education, particularly when they combine these two disciplines, is that they have the capacity to work in environments that few scientists are able to work in. And you know, some of the folks that work in adventure education here have made a livelihood outside of Prescott College working in some pretty extreme environments where one of their roles has been ensuring the safety of the scientists who are doing the research. And it's best when you have people that have both of those skills, who can handle the risks and assess and manage the risks in some of these environments, and also have the scientific capacity to do the qualitative and quantitative work in there.